A walk-in shower is a stylish and functional upgrade for any bathroom, offering convenience, accessibility, and increased home value. If you're considering installing one in your Pascagoula home, you may be wondering whether to tackle the project yourself or hire a professional. While DIY installation may seem like a cost-effective option, there are significant advantages to working with an experienced contractor. In this guide, we'll compare the pros and cons of DIY versus professional walk-in shower installation to help you make an informed decision. DIY walk-in shower installation. Pros and cons. For homeowners who enjoy tackling renovation projects, installing a walk-in shower as a DIY endeavor can be a rewarding challenge. However, it requires a high level of skill and expertise. Pros of DIY installation. Cost savings. The biggest advantage of DIY installation is that you can save money on labor costs. Hiring a professional can be expensive, so handling the project yourself may reduce expenses significantly. Flexible scheduling. DIY installation allows you to work at your own pace and schedule, rather than coordinating with a contractor. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a home improvement project yourself can be fulfilling, especially if you enjoy hands-on work and problem-solving. Cons of DIY installation. Complexity and time commitment. Installing a walk-in shower involves plumbing, waterproofing, tile work, and precise measurements. If you lack experience, the process can take much longer than expected. Potential for mistakes. Errors in waterproofing, tiling, or plumbing can lead to leaks, mold growth, and costly repairs down the line. Limited access to high-quality materials. Professionals often have exclusive access to high-quality materials and better pricing through supplier relationships. Lack of warranty. Most DIY projects do not come with a labor warranty, meaning you will be responsible for any future repairs or modifications. Professional walk-in shower installation. Pros and cons. Hiring a professional contractor for your walk-in shower installation ensures quality workmanship and long-lasting results. While it comes with a higher price tag, the benefits often outweigh the costs. Pros of professional installation. Expertise and experience. Professional contractors have years of experience in plumbing, waterproofing, and tile installation, ensuring a flawless final product. Faster completion. A professional team can complete the installation in a fraction of the time compared to a DIY approach, minimizing bathroom downtime. Quality materials and design advice. Contractors have access to premium materials and can offer expert design advice to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Warranty and peace of mind. Most professional installations come with a labor warranty, protecting you from unexpected issues in the future. Code compliance and permits. Professionals ensure that all work is up to local building codes in Pascagoula and handle any necessary permits, preventing legal and safety issues. Cons of professional installation. Higher cost. The primary downside is the cost of labor, which can add up depending on the scope of the project. Scheduling constraints. You will need to work within the contractor's schedule, which may not always align with your timeline. Which option is best for you? Deciding between DIY and professional installation depends on your skill level, budget, and project complexity. Here are a few key questions to consider. Are you experienced with plumbing, tiling, and waterproofing? If not, hiring a professional is the safer choice. Do you have the time to complete the project? A DIY installation can take weeks, whereas professionals can finish within a few days. Is your budget flexible? While DIY may save money up front, mistakes can lead to expensive repairs. A professional installation ensures long-term durability and quality. Do you want a warranty? Hiring a pro provides peace of mind with guaranteed workmanship and warranty protection. Final thoughts. If you have extensive home improvement experience and are confident in your abilities, a DIY walk-in shower installation in Pascagoula could be a cost-effective solution. However, for most homeowners, hiring a professional ensures a hassle-free, high-quality installation that enhances both functionality and aesthetics. For best results, consult a trusted local contractor in Pascagoula to discuss your options and receive an estimate. Investing in a professional installation can save you time, effort, and potential repair costs, giving you a beautiful and durable walk-in shower for years to come.